Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that's perfect for capturing life's fleeting moments. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Pastel Blue Bundle. This isn't just any instant camera. It's the Instax Mini 12, presented in a delightful pastel blue that immediately catches the eye. Its design is sleek and user-friendly, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of their photography experience. The automatic exposure feature is a game changer, ensuring that photos are perfectly lit without needing to fiddle with settings. Plus, the built-in close-up mode is fantastic for those detailed shots, bringing subjects into sharp focus effortlessly. What truly makes this a fantastic deal is the generous Fuji Instax Mini Film Value Pack, providing a whopping 40 sheets. That's enough film to capture countless smiles, spontaneous adventures, and cherished memories right out of the box, without the immediate worry of running out. But the bundle doesn't stop there. It thoughtfully includes a protective carrying case, designed not only to safeguard the camera from bumps and scratches, but also to complement its charming pastel blue aesthetic. This means the camera can travel safely wherever the fun takes it. To keep those precious prints organized and safe, a dedicated photo album is also part of the package. It's a wonderful way to curate and revisit all the moments captured. And for maintaining the camera's pristine condition, a microfiber cleaning cloth is included, ensuring the lens and body stay spotless for clear, vibrant photos every time. This entire bundle is an absolute dream for anyone looking to jump into the world of instant photography or upgrade their current setup. It's a complete package that anticipates every need, from taking the photos to protecting the camera and preserving the prints. Whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just because, this Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 bundle in pastel blue is an exceptional choice for creating tangible memories that last a lifetime. It truly offers unparalleled value and convenience, making it the ultimate companion for any memory maker.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.